Why do we burp? I drank some cola and a burp came out. But why does a burp come out of our mouth? Actually, burping happens because of the air we swallow while eating or drinking. When this air fills up our stomach, it needs a way out. And there's only one exit at the top, the esophagus. So, can a burp go down and come out like a fart instead? Nope, that's impossible. The stomach and intestines are blocked off. So burps can only escape upward. Then why do we burp more after drinking soda? That's because soda contains carbon dioxide gas, which creates bubbles that need to escape, causing an even bigger burp. Has anyone ever drunk cola without burping? Tell us in the comments.